How to turn on unrecognize login alerts on Instagram. First of all, after you open up your Instagram app like this, now tap on your profile at bottom right side. After you open your profile, now tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open menu, now tap on this account center. After you open account center, scroll to down and tap on this password and security. After you open password and security, now scroll to down and tap on this, as you can see now, login alerts. After you open login alerts, now select Instagram. After you select your Instagram, now as you can see here is the option. As you can see, it says login alerts. So as you can see, it says in-app notification. Make sure you check on this option. Tap on this section to check it on. So now, if someone is accessing your Instagram account without your permission, or even with your permission, Instagram will send you a notification that someone is accessing your Instagram currently. So that's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, guys.